Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice week on this one. Nothing fancy, but higher highs, higher lows. So I'm sure there's going to be plenty of eyeballs continuing to watch this one next week. And the level that really stands out to me as being quite important, I'm not going to quite call it like a do or die level, but definitely a very important level, is this area down here at the $6 mark. And why is $6 so important in one of those levels that you really do just want to see the price maintain above? And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 6, behave in that manner, then work its way down through there, at that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that all of a sudden go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of a true healthy trend or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, because to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows right here. You'd have lows down here. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, at that point, you'd have very clear stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. So that is why, in my opinion, at least that $6 mark, very, very important. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, main area of resistance to keep a close eye on is going to be that pink line there. It's on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. And the current value of that is, let's just call it right up there around the 645 mark, give or take a few cents. So watch that very closely. But all in all, nice week, nice trend. And as long as the price just keeps on chipping away and building those higher lows, that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.